Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel, NBC Lifestyles Diary. My name is Marie. I live in New York. I love to entertain. I love to travel. I love to go to cultural events. And I'm asking you to join me on this adventure.
Hi friends, today is day 3 of the cruise, and as you can see, I am relaxing and recovering from last night. We had a blast yesterday. Yesterday was my mom's birthday. We celebrated by going to Chop's Steakhouse. They did a specialty wine chef's table, and that was a pairing of your food and wine. It was like a 7-course meal. It was very intimate. We got to meet other passengers and have a lively conversation. But it started off with champagne, then scallops with a wine, and then we had tomato soup and a wine, and we had the seafood salad, lobster seafood salad with a different wine, and after that we had the branzino, and guess what? A different wine, and it culminated with this beautiful, delicious, melt in your mouth filet mignon. And oh my gosh, what an experience. The wines were mostly from California, and our head waiter would always explain to us the pairings of why it was paired. And it was, at the end there was this dessert that you just have to experience. It comes out like a chocolate globe, and you're like, what is this? And he pours this wonderful caramel sauce, and it melts, and inside is a chocolate mousse and a scoop of ice cream. Oh, it felt so decadent, and I'm so stuffed still from this meal. Afterwards, we went to 270 Lounge, which is a beautiful venue on this ship, and it was for the Disco Inferno, playing hits from the 70s and 80s, and people were into it. I've never seen a dance floor filled with so many happy people dancing to the beat. As I told you yesterday, we went and signed up for our next cruise, and as an added bonus, we got this wonderful bottle of champagne, and they entered us into a raffle that would provide us with $250 in ship credit. So it was a great day. Today on day 3, just relaxing. We ordered breakfast in, which is the Continental is complimentary. So we had coffee, orange juice, a fruit plate, and a Danish plate. And we sat and we enjoyed the ocean view as we wait to get into Port Canaveral. I'm losing track of the days, but I'm just feeling great. Really a relaxing vacation.